This question is taken from the worksheet that was given out today. You're supposed to find A and B where A and B are integers. Now, there should be a mistake here, so they are not integers. Okay, so they're just constants. Constants means they can be fraction, can be decimal. Now, this question here, if you try to do it this way, rationalize like that, you will find that you will meet up with problems later because the expression is going to get quite complicated when you try to so-called split it into the ordinary number component, which is this and this, because A and B, they are just constants, so all these are purely numbers, no sets. Okay, and you need to plus this other third component, which is this and this. So I will just write a square root 3 behind, put brackets, and throw in whatever sign I see in front here, together with the 4b and this here. Now, if you were to do it this way, you find that you cannot really get an answer very conveniently, because if you equate 9 with this one, you end up with a very complicated expression. You equate a -5 with this coefficient of square root 3, you also get a very complicated expression. So in the exam, you must know when to stop. Okay, when it gets so complicated like that, right? By the way, O-level questions will not be so complicated. Alright, so when it gets so complicated like that, you must have so-called use the wrong approach. So what should you do? Change the approach. Alright, so what you can do is sorry about this. Some of you may be tempted to cross multiply. Okay, so when you cross multiply, then you will get these. Okay, and then you compare the coefficient, as in after grouping all the constant terms together and all the surds together, you compare the coefficient. This is 4, this is square root 3, right? Then you can do accordingly. But it's actually not very easy. Okay, so I think the easiest method is to use this method where, you know, normally the question that they give you is all numbers here, then the A and the B are here, right? Okay, so you may want to revert to this method, because this method, after you rationalize, the rest is actually just, let me rationalize for you first. This is minus, so this must be plus. Okay, this is a 5, by the way, sorry. Okay, then you rationalize already, right? You get this, and then you compare the constant term with the A and the coefficient of the third, or the number in front of the third. Okay, sorry, I just say number in front of the third here with this, and you will be able to get the answer. Okay, but actually is negative. Alright, so this question teaches us that we must somehow be more efficient in the method that we use. Otherwise, A-Maths is going to be very complicated, and it will not be so complicated. Okay, so please choose wisely the method